Hey guys, my name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video, we are going to focus on 2nd PUC English, Chapter 7 on the chapter, The Gardener. So in this video, we'll be covering up all the important one markers question which you can normally expect from this particular chapter. And guys, trust me, the first main of your 2nd PUC English of your question paper normally consists of 1 markers, and it is very easily you can fetch out 1 markers each from every chapter. And one of the easiest chapters, this chapter 7 of The Gardener. And all the questions whichever I'm going to present it over here is basically from the previous 10 years important chapter wise questions which have been accumulated. As such, I just thought to present it to you guys, as such it can help you a lot with your preparation. So I'll be presenting of overall 17 questions through this video. So make sure that you write down all these questions in a separate notebook and make sure that you practice constantly along with your preparation of 4 markers and 6 markers from this particular chapter. So guys, now let's get started without any further delay. So guys, we'll be starting with the first question. What became the main reason of Tamanna's life in The Gardener? And the answer is the art became the main reason of Tamanna's life in the chapter The Gardener. Second question is, mention one of the means suggested to Tamanna through which he would get back his land from Basavaya. So there are 3 answers for this particular question. You can choose any one of it. First one is to go to the court of law. Second one is take recourse to the police. And the third one is physical attack on Basavaya. So Tamanna had all the 3 means in which he could get a proper relief. First one is he could go to the court of law, he could take up a relief or recourse by going up to the police, or a physical attack on Basavaya. You can write any one of it. The third question is, what was the most important possession of Tamanna? The important possession of his Tamanna was his rival Basavaya. That was his most important possession. Fourth question is, whom did Tamanna consider as the most important among all his possession? So the Tamanna's most important rival was Basavaya. So guys, for the third and fourth, I've repeated the same question because they are trying to ask this question from the previous years, the same pattern in the different contexts. As such, I've repeated the same question in different ways. Looking on to your fifth question, Tamanna's disease was Basavaya's health. And the answer is health. So Tamanna's disease was Basavaya's health. Now let's look upon to the sixth question. When, according to the narrator, does man lose his name? And the answer is when he had no more reasons to live. So according to the narrator, when does the man loses his name? It's when he had no more reasons to live, when there is no more purpose for him to live. Seventh question is, when did Tamanna forget all his songs and ballads? After Basavaya's death. So after Basavaya's death, what happened? Tamanna forgot all his songs and ballads. Eighth question is, whom did Basavaya consider as his most important possession in The Gardener? So the most important possession or most important enemy of Basavaya was Tamanna. And the ninth question was, who was Tamanna's rival in The Gardener? And the Tamanna's rival was Basavaya. 10th question is, why did the old man come to the garden? And the answer is to work as a laborer. So the old man came to the garden to work as a laborer. So guys, a small tip, whilever you're writing this particular answer, just don't write it as a key point. Make sure that you take the entire context from the particular question. So now looking on to your 11th question, what came to an end after the old man arrival in the garden? So what came to an end? The petty thefts came to an end after the old man arrival into the garden. Looking on to the 12th question, how much of Tamanna's land did Basavaya forcibly acquire at first? So Tamanna's land, which was forcibly acquired by Basavaya first, was about 200 acres of land. So first it was acquired first by 200 acres of land. 13th question is, when did the petty thefts come to an end in The Gardener, in the chapter The Gardener? And the answer is after the arrival of the old man. 14th question is, who was Basavaya's rival? And the answer is Tamanna. The same question is repeated many times of the previous year's question paper. As such, I've just written it once again. 15th question is, what was the old man well versed in The Gardener? So the old man was well versed in agriculture. And who is the old man? The old man is none other than Tamanna. Now looking on to the 16th question, What was the owner's wife apprehensive about? So the owner's wife was apprehensive about her husband's adultery and other vices. 17th question is, what did Tamanna songs and ballads target? So Tamanna's songs and ballads targeted Basavaya's cruelty and meanness. So all the songs and ballads whichever was composed by Tamanna, it mainly targeted Basavaya's cruelty and meanness. So guys, that's all for today. So if you do like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe. And I've also included the description box. There's some more solutions from the KICB solutions on this particular 1 markers. If you want, you can even refer upon that. But the more essence is that you focus on this 17 question. Plus, if you focus on your 4 markers and 6 markers, that can suffice a lot. I'm just providing this extra resource. It's because in case if you want to refer it as an external source. Plus, but don't dive more into it because you have to spend much time in other sources for your 4 markers, 6 markers and for grammar. So guys, that's all. Thank you. Wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye.